Hey there guys, Abner Reviews here. So this is a follow-up video on our SpecterPro 27-inch LED monitor. So this is to show you that it is possible to use the 75 Hz setting on the monitor. So all you need to do is go on your monitor and right click like so. Click on display settings. Scroll down. Make sure that both your monitors or all your monitors are identified here on the displays before you do anything else. Okay, so scroll down and click on advanced display settings. So here, go to the drop down and click your second monitor, which is our SpecterPro LED monitor. So you see here it's on 60 Hz settings for the refresh rate. So all we need to do is go to the drop down here and click that 75 Hz. So choose keep changes. And as you can see, we have 75 Hz here on the refresh rate. And if you wanted to go further, click on the display adapter properties for display 2. Click on monitor. And as you can see, it is set on 75 Hz as well on our Windows settings. Click OK, and there you have it guys. So our SpecterPro 27-inch LED monitor can be set to the 75 Hz refresh rate instead of the normal 60 Hz. Okay, well that's all we have for this video guys. So I hope that clears up some things from our published video for the review of the SpecterPro 27-inch LED monitor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.